All right, the next exercise we're going to do is brief exercise 22-19. It's going to be a direct method cash flow statements, but really the reason we're doing this is to do 20, 21, and 22. We've already done the direct method, and this is going to be no particular difference. Actually, this is a pretty easy one when we do it. And so the first thing we have to do, like we've done before, is to get our cash collected from customers. And so our cash collected from customers is going to be our accrued sales revenue. And the accrued sales revenue. And we're told in this problem that it is $567,000. Okay, then we have to do the increases in accounts receivable. Now this one has no cost of goods sold, no inventory, so we go straight to the accounts receivable, and we're told that the increase in accounts receivable is $9,000. So we have to subtract an increase. And that's all we have in this particular one. So that's going to be $558,000. So we have cash from customers. Bring that where you can see it. Cash collected from customers, $558,000. All right, the next thing that we have to do is the cash paid to other suppliers. We don't have any inventory in this one, so we don't have any accounts payable in this one. But we do have other suppliers. And so the cash from the other suppliers will have the accrual based, selling, and general administrative. And we are told that that is $488,000. Then we have the accounts payable, and we have an increase in accounts payable. Now we're going to subtract this, and that could be a little bit misleading at first. Remember that this total number here, we're going to subtract up here. So when we subtract it here, we're actually adding it if we were to look at the final number up here. So that's the increase in the accounts payable. And then we have some prepaid expenses. Decrease in prepaid expenses. So that will be an addition here. And that amounts to $8,000. Sorry, that'll be a subtraction. It'll be an addition up here. All right, and so we add that all together and we get $469,000. So when we come up here, we get the cash paid to other suppliers. And that's $469,000. And that's subtraction. on that one. And then we have our cash. Our tax expense is $8,000. And then our decrease in income taxes payable is $3,000. That comes to 11,000. We're going to that'll be cash paid for taxes, and that's 11,000. Subtract that. So we sum that all up and we get 78,000 is our cash from operations. All right, so that concludes brief exercise 22-19.